Hey Jingus! Welcome to my video where I'll be doing sserafim's intense workout that Sakura and Yoojin shared on their V Live. I only did it for 3 days and let me tell you, it killed me every time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hello everyone, this is day 1 of the sserafim workout. Woo! Today's workout fit. Okay, so we have 100 jumping jacks, 4 25 burpees, 2 10 jump squats, plank crawl for 1 song, 2 times 10 planks up and down, 2 times 10 plank twists, and 75 crunches. This is going to murder me. Of course, we gotta listen to some sserafim. Oh. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna listen to it on my headphones. Okay, everyone, let's do this. 100 jumping jacks. Let's go. I think I did 100. Kind of lost count in the middle, but hopefully I did 100. 4 by 25 burpees. I keep losing count of how many I'm doing. What was I on? Whew. I'm dying already. Oh my god. I'm favorless, huh? 7 more! I can't! Sour! Nana, don't eat the plants right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead. Okay, next one is 2 by 10 jump squats. Oh, another 10. Oh. Okay, I actually forgot for the jump squats I was supposed to hold my ears. So like this. I'll do it tomorrow. Next one is a plank crawl. Why do you do plank crawls? Plank crawls. Plank crawl. Plank crawl. We're gonna do plank crawls to Good Parts by sserafim. This is only a 2-minute song and I can't do this. Song ended. Plank up and down 20 times. Other side. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm drooling, oh my god. 75 crunches and then we're done. Woo! We're done. Oh my goodness, look how sweaty I am. I can definitely see why people suffer from this workout. That was so difficult. One of my friends gave me this meal shake that's from Korea. And basically you put milk or water in here and you mix it. It is so yummy. I love it. So yummy. Okay guys, I'm gonna go take a refreshing shower now. Goodbye. Hey guys, I just took a shower. I feel really good. So defeated. Hey guys. Sunny made a kimchi sinigang soup.
Taste test.
It tastes like a very, very, very sour kimchi chicken.
So delicious.
I love it.
Yeah.
I have this leftover fried rice from a few days ago, so I'm gonna heat this up, and that will be my dinner. So hot. Sunny and I are eating.
Low on battery.
Sunny and I are eating leftovers for breakfast. We got chicken and what is this, Sunny?
Leftover ramen soup, but I put udon and bok choy in it.
So gourmet.
Recycle.
Guys, my protein powder came in the mail. I got the strawberry flavored one so that I can drink it with milk and it'll taste like strawberry milk. Smells pretty good. Is there no scoop in this? Is it like buried in here? There is no scoop in here. Huh? Where is the scoop? I cannot believe this. How can they? Oh, there is a scoop, everybody. Oh my gosh, why is this so deep in? There it is. Oh my god. One scoop. We got some coconut milk here. Whoop. Ooh, not bad. That's pretty good. I like it. One scoop has 24 grams of protein. Is that good? I don't really know. I'm gonna let Sunny try it.
Okay.
Sunny, try this. What? You don't like it?
It just tastes so much like protein.
I think it's good, guys. I don't really like protein shakes either, but this is pretty good.
It has a very strong aftertaste.
Personally, I don't think it has a strong aftertaste. Doesn't it taste like the Nesquik milk?
Yeah, but with protein.
Thank you for your input, Sunny.
You love it that much?
I like it. I don't know if I love it,
Oh.
but thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Meow.
Dinner. Hey guys, I'm having dinner right now with Sunny and I am so sore right now, so I don't know how I'm gonna do the workout later, but Sunny says she's gonna do it with me.
Huh?
We're having cheonggukjang, which is
Fermented
soybean soup.
Paste soup.
Like very, very fermented. Hello everyone, we're gonna be eating a taco.
We've been sitting here on this dining table for like 2 hours.
Cheers everyone.
Delicious. Everything you wanted and more.
Okay guys, this is our third course. We're back.
Wait, this is the diet video?
Oh, that's so good. Hello everyone. I really don't want to do this workout right now. I'm literally so sore from yesterday, especially my back. It's currently 10:21 p.m. because I've been dreading doing this workout. Just get over with. Oh my gosh, the jumpy jacks made me want to go poop. I'm gonna do my burpees now, but I might have to go poop soon. Like very soon.
You know, at some point of my life, I have to sit
Nana,
my days like, oh,
excuse me. I don't want to hurt you. Meow. 50 more. Okay, I need some music. 15 more! 20 jump squats. Nana, watch out. I don't want to hurt you. Or... Oh my! Okay, last one, 75 punches. 15 more! 15! Very good. Okay, here are my thoughts for day 2 of the sserafim workout. I think today was easier than yesterday, and I don't know if it's because it's the second day or because I did it during the night rather than the morning, because you know, usually doing workouts in the morning is harder. But tomorrow I will be hopefully doing the workout in the morning, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts tomorrow as well. Goodbye! Hey everyone, this is my roommate, Sunny Park. She'll be joining us today. Are you ready, Sunny?
No. I'm gonna give up.
100 jumping jacks! 100! anxious. Burpees make me anxious. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, bye. Where are you going? You're actually not gonna do it? That was enough. I'm gonna be lonely. Come on, study! Everyone, that is how hard this workout is. It makes people quit, but it's so understandable. 75 more burpees, let's do this. Crunches and then we're done! Wait a minute. I forgot the jump squats. I did it. 3 days of sserafim workout. Done. Today was definitely not as bad as the first day. I actually really like this workout routine and I might start doing this every day.